Baby, to win him some affair. My fiscal safe mano. Ebi ano ebi. Chocho mucho. Yeah, what's up? This is your Chocho Mucho Bless. Keep watching Odate GHTV. The best you can find. Bless!
It's very, don't worry, it's very revealing. It's touching. I'm saying it's touching because I've been affected in so many ways because I was a little skinny. I was from size 6, 8 after birth.
Oh wow.
And then I started size, I think 16, and I'm what? I think 16 or 14. And a director and producer, we are alike, we are actually blunt. I can mention him. Actually told me, Elaine Attoh, you're talented, you're intelligent, but you need to lose weight to fit in. And he actually compared me to some of our celebrities. Public figures. Celebrity be Ghana. In couple. No matter the talent you have, because I went to school for this. I have a degree for art. But sometimes you won't get paid. If you don't pay me, I walk. That's me. I was just told, Elaine, lose weight and we will give you roles. That's all. But why can't you as a director or a producer be dynamic in your writing to fit this? And then it means yourself, forgive me, you're shallow. Very shallow. Because if you think you can only write to fit a particular body, then my darling, you're gonna go one way and you will fade. Yeah, you're gonna fade. But this is us. I mean, like she said, if you're with you, if you're picture me, it's me. I'm the one who's there. That is beautiful. It's me. Why would you look at that and not look at this? And not listen to what is coming from here and from here? And the impartation she is giving to us as women, as Ghanaian women. Why can't we support that? Too political. There's politics in everything. It's a whom you know thing. What we don't bear, who can ya? Who about me, papi? One of them. Only Ghana. Minister was South Africa, and I'm going to take them to. This is all I have to say. As women, no matter our size, let's support one another. I hardly go on Instagram. Me, I pictures. I do a piano. Stars where we push me, lay, post. Me too. I don't have time. I dey search money. I dey rent chairs. I dey cook. And people will call me, Elaine, I need this dish, cook for me. Then I'll come and deliver. I dey do my curtains. Because Instagram, I know the post, then they call me post. This is it. Why don't you support one another? I saw her post 3 days ago, and then I posted yesterday. Yeah. And then I've been blocked off social Facebook. Was my name? So they blocked me. So I can only post through Instagram. I just saw it one time, and I decided, a fellow sister is doing something. Don't feel threatened. No. Don't feel limited by what she's doing. This is what she has decided to do. Like she was saying, why don't you also find something nobody else has done before and attack it? This is all I have to say. Let's support one another. And the men, our media, our social personality, our media personalities, thank you so much for coming and supporting this. We really appreciate this because once in a lifetime, I'm seeing most of the bloggers here to help support this. God bless you all. God bless you all for coming.
Okay, you said this because you love me. Yeah. No.
Legendary. Dr. July in the building. Yeah. Yeah. I pray for the poor and I pray for the need.